Good morning, children. God bless you all. Now, in the previous video, I explained you subtraction sums with borrowing. Now, today I'm going to do page 75 and 76 with you. These are the sums of subtraction with borrowing. So, we start like this. This is ones and this is tens. Can you see the sum here? This one is already solved for you. 62 minus 38. 62 minus 38. 2 is the smaller number. You can't minus 8 out of 2. So you have to borrow 1 from here. When you borrow 1, it becomes 12 and this reduced to 5. 12 minus 8 will give you 4 and 5 minus 3 will give you 2. Moving on to next. 82 minus 64. 2 minus 4 cannot be done. So you have to borrow 1 from here. 8 will reduce to 7 and when you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 12. 12 minus 4 will give you 8 and 7 minus 6 will give you 1. Again, ones column, tens column, you subtract the ones column and then the tens column. When you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 14. 14 minus 5 will give you 9 and this reduced to 5. 5 minus 3 will give you 2. Moving on to next, 4 and 5. You can't minus 5 out of 4. So you have to borrow 1 from here. When you borrow 1, this becomes 14. In the ones column, now it is 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 will give you 9. And 9 reduced to 8. So 8 minus 6 will give you 2. 76 minus 69. 6 is the smaller number, 9 is the greater number. So you have to borrow 1 from here. When you borrow 1, this becomes 16. 16 minus 9 will give you 7 and 6 minus 6 will give you 0. So these were the sums given on page 75. Kindly sit with your pencil and do these sums with me. Now turn your page, move on to page number 76. This is the ones column, this is the tens column. 48 minus 29. When you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 18. 18 minus 9 will give you 8 and 3 minus 2 will give you 1. 89 minus 20. So 9 minus 0 will give you 9. Because this is the bigger number, you don't have to borrow anything from here. You can subtract it directly. 9 minus 0 will give you 9 and 8 minus 2 will give you 6. 66 minus 39. Now again you have to borrow 1 from here. So when you borrow 1, it becomes 16. 16 minus 9 will give you 7 and 5 minus 3 will give you 2. 72 minus 38. So when you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 12. 12 minus 8 will give you 4 and this reduced to 6. 6 minus 3 will give you 3. Moving on to next, 82 minus 63. When you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 12. 12 minus 3 will give you 9 and 7 minus 6 will give you 1. 64 minus 39. When you borrow 1 from the tens column, it becomes 14 minus 9 will give you 5 and 5 minus 3 will give you 2. 48 minus 39. When you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 18. 18 minus 9 will give you 9 and 3 minus 3 will give you 0. 86 minus 69. When you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 16. 16 minus 9 will give you 7 and 7 minus 6 is 1. 56 minus 49. When you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 16. 16 minus 9 will give you 7 and 4 minus 4 will give you 0. 61 minus 16. When you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 11. 11 minus 6 will give you 5 and 5 minus 1 will give you 4. Moving on to the next line. 83 minus 64. Again the same way, you have to borrow 1 from here. It becomes 13. 13 minus 4 will give you 9 and it reduced to 7. 7 minus 6 will give you 1. 92 minus 73. Again this is the smaller number, so you have to borrow 1 from here. It becomes 8 and when you borrow 1, it becomes 12. 12 minus 3 will give you 9 and 8 minus 7 will give you 1. This again you have to borrow 1 from here. 5. When you borrow 1, it becomes 4 and it becomes 13. 13 minus 4 will give you 9 and 4 minus 2 will give you 2. 70 minus 59. 0 is the smaller number, so you have to borrow 1 again from here. 10 minus 9 will give you 1 and 6 minus 5 will give you 1. 51 minus 38. When you borrow 1, this becomes 11. 11 minus 8 will give you 3 and 4 minus 3 will give you 1. Moving on to the next line, 31 minus 12. Again, the same way you have to solve the sum. Borrow 1 from here, this becomes 11. 11 minus 2 will give you 9 and 2 minus 1 is 1. 34 minus 15. When you borrow 1 from here, it becomes 14. 14 minus 5 will give you 9 and 2 minus 1 is 1. 61 minus 29. When you borrow 1, this becomes 11. 11 minus 9 will give you 2 and 5 minus 2 will give you 3. 71 minus 47. When you borrow 1, this becomes 6 and this becomes 11. 11 minus 7 will give you 4 and 6 minus 4 will give you 2. 82 minus 38. When you borrow 1 from here, 8 reduced to 7 and this becomes 12. 12 minus 8 will give you 4 and 7 minus 3 will give you 4. Moving on to the next line, 70 minus 38. Again, borrow 1 from here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 8 will give you 2 and 6 minus 3 will give you 3. Make it 6. 82 minus 36. When you borrow 1 from here, since this is a smaller number, you have to borrow 1 from here, it becomes 12. 12 minus 6 will give you 6 and 7 minus 3 will give you 4. 91 minus 69. Again, when it's a smaller number in the ones column, you have to borrow 1 from here. 9 will reduce to 8. And when you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 11. 11 minus 9 will give you 2 and 8 minus 6 will give you 2. 65 minus 48. Again, the same way, when you borrow 1, this becomes 15. 15 minus 8 will give you 7 and 5 minus 4 will give you 1. 43 minus 15. When you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 13. 13 minus 5 will give you 8 and 3 minus 1 gives you 2. Moving on to the second last line. 86 minus 59. Again, the same way, when you borrow 1, it becomes 16 and minus 9 will give you 7 and 7 minus 5 will give you 2. When you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 17 and this reduced to 6. 17 minus 9 will give you 8 and 6 minus 4 will be 2. 81 minus 19. Again, the same way. This is 31 minus 19. When you borrow 1, it becomes 11. 11 minus 9 will give you 2 and 2 minus 1 will give you 1. 36 minus 29. Again, the same way, borrow 1 from here, this becomes 16. 16 minus 9 will give you 7 and 2 minus 2 will be 0. 55 minus 38. Borrow 1 from here, it becomes 15. 15 minus 8 will give you 7. 4 minus 3 will give you 1. Moving on to the last line, 22 minus 18. When you borrow 1, it becomes 12. 12 minus 8 will give you 4 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now 68 minus 39. Again, borrow 1 from here, it becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is 9 and 5 minus 3 will give you 2. 73 minus 26. Borrow 1 from here, this becomes 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 6 minus 2 will give you 4. 86 minus 47. Borrow 1 from here, this becomes 16. 16 minus 7 will give you 9 and 7 minus 4 will give you 3. Moving on to the last sum, 94 minus 69. When you borrow from here, it becomes 14. 14 minus 9 will give you 5 and 8 minus 6 will give you 2. So these were the sums given on page number 76 of your maths reader, which you have to do it very neatly in the reader book itself. Now, I hope all have finished page 75 and 76 from the reader book. Tomorrow I will take problem of subtraction, word problems on subtraction. Okay, till then be good, listen to your parents, stay home, stay safe, maintain social distance and study well. Practice all these sums in your rough notebook. Thank you.